In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to enable sensitive content on Telegram. Turning on sensitive content settings on Telegram is crucial for maintaining control over the type of media you encounter. To do this, simply head to Google Chrome. It can be any browser of your own choice. In the search bar, type in Telegram Web. Select on this very first option. It will automatically access your Telegram account if at all you already have the Telegram app in your phone. On the chat page, tap onto these three lines and select Settings. You will want to scroll down onto Privacy and Security. Onto this page, still navigate to the second last section of Sensitive Content. To enable it, simply check the box. And to disable or turn it off, just uncheck it. Now if there's such an option, you can't find it on your Telegram mobile app, that's why we use the web version. Well, that's how easy it is to turn on or turn off sensitive content on Telegram. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.